Hey guys, so I got some treats today from Loccitane and just wanted to share it with you. Take it out of the box, paper bag. These are just the usual testers, serum, creams, etc. But this is what I'm excited about. This is the body oil that I absolutely love. So you put this on, spray this on right after a quick shower or right after enjoying a shower, taking a bath, and while your skin is still supple, you just spray it on and spread it across your skin, and it does wonders in terms of moisturizing and making your skin tight and looking young again. And also it smells very good. So yeah, love this. Thank you, Loccitane.